Hey folks, I'm Walter, and you know I'm all about encouraging you guys to get onto a cruise. But there's one cruise that we would absolutely, positively recommend that you never, ever, ever book. That's the Maiden cruise on a brand new ship. Okay, it's really exciting because there's a brand new ship coming out. I want to be the first one on the ship. I want to tell everybody about it. I want to see it before anybody else does. Okay, before the pandemic, before all of these supply chain issues, that maiden voyage was always an iffy date. I mean, it seemed like it was a good 50-50 chance whether the ship was going to be ready for the maiden voyage or not, so those voyages get canceled more often than not, so it seems. Now, number two, everything may not be ready. So even if the ship does sail, the Wonder of the Seas recently went out on her maiden voyage and the entertainment wasn't even ready yet. Like the main show wasn't even on board yet. So you may not get that optimal experience. Everybody on board is still figuring out the ship, you know, the food and beverage and the entertainment and the activity staff. They're still figuring out this brand new ship. So it takes a few months for them to work out the kinks and get everything figured out. So our advice is let everybody else be the guinea pigs. Let them figure it out for a couple of months and book your cruise, say 3, 4, 5 months after the maiden voyage. So by the time you step on board, it's a well-oiled machine, everything is working the way it should, and you should get an optimal cruise experience on that brand new ship. So what about the rest of you? Are you just dying? I want to be that guinea pig. I want to be that first one on board. Or would you rather let the cruise line figure everything out with this new ship and then show up about 3 to 5 months later?